Right over here. This is our brother's new home. This is the 4th of July. Kathy, yeah, you can just close that, honey. And Jamila. Okay.
Here we are.
We are here. Okay, there's some gifts here. That's my girl. Hey. My mother even said, that girl, she said, those are real friends to do what they did, to bring them cards, to bring my family down here. Y'all some real good friends, and I'll never forget you.
I won't let you.
I know. I know, that's right. Okay, there's a gift for Brandon, and a gift for Russell and Kim's home, new home. And there's a phone back there. Oh, who's this? It's Dexter. Dexter and Jeffrey. Wow, how was your ride, Jeffrey? You know, you take good care of that Cadillac.
Yeah, but I got an ache in my back.
Oh, you got a good air conditioner, huh?
Yeah.
Manual. It's a good thing it's not crystal.
It's just a it's not breakable.
It's just that,
yeah, well, yeah, it's okay. All right. So let's moving on and keep on moving on right along now. Quartier and them here. I see that car.
Here, come get this.
Manuel, yeah, get that, please.
Jeff, you put this back window down.
We're going in the backyard where the cookout is. Let's see. I hear noise back there. Let's see what. Oh, look at that patio. Wow. Ooh, look at all. Hey, my goodness. I feel so bad. All these people are here already. Hey, Russell. Hey, Russell. Pastor Cavassier. Pastor Cavassier.
I've been looking at the John D. Lawrence. We was looking for you.
When?
It's just 2 o'clock.
Oh, girl, please. You know, now, I was supposed to be here. Hello, that's Brandon?
Yeah, he just woke up.
Oh, he is so handsome. Hello, Dad. How you doing, Dad? You know what? You're still good looking. What you gonna do?
That's first time seeing her.
You seen her? I brought her to the cookout a long time ago. Wow, look who's eating. Look at this here. We got this fruit salad and... Hey, girl. Hiya. I see I'm getting in that swimming pool. Who's pretty little girl? Oh, I'm getting in that swimming pool in a minute. How you doing, darling?
Fine.
Good to see you. There go my family. That's my family. I know we had 3 cars to come down here. That's just how many it was over there. Hello.
Hey, Mom.
Hello, Darena. Hi, Ahmad. How you doing?
You can't get it?
Yeah.
I ain't get it. I probably won't. Where's the birthday party?
No, he ain't doing the Batman. Oh, no, he's doing a shingling. Hey, Mama.
I got to take him home because what is? He's doing the 4 corner dinner.
I got it on the camera. There's his wife right there. And there's Russell right. Wait a minute. He must have been in the house.
That's her standing with the baby.
That's her, yeah.
I was looking for it.
I'm going to tell you about you in a minute.
Yeah, your mama, she just said,
eating with Charles, letting him be a bad influence.
Come over here, you want some of this? We were trying, though. Want some fruit? Why? You hungry, Mom?
Amen, you will.
Come get some fruit.
Jemima.
Oh.
Fine self. Look at her. Go ahead, girl. I'm going to get you.
I'll be over there in a minute. What did you put this over top of?
That chicken in my hat.
All I see is chicken skin.
Oh, yeah, I put chicken skin. Hold on. You saved it?
Hey, did I show you where I'm at?
Come here, man.
I had blood work done the other day. Look what happened to my arm.
You got bruised up? Yeah, that happens.
Never.
Bring the bunch over here. Now, get one of Gloria. This is me and Gloria.
Okay.
Okay. There we go.
Okay. Everybody get together. Hey.
Hi.
Hi. You beautiful ladies. Hey.
Together.
Tight. Pull it in.
Get right in.
Pull it in. Pull it in. Carolyn. Pull it in.
Patricia.
Pull it in.
Hey, Carolyn.
Pull it in.
Talking about like this?
Yeah, that's what she's talking about.
There we go.
Wait a minute. Take a picture with the camera.
Oh, yes. Bucket!
I'll tell you what.
Bucket!
Right in there.
Bucket! Bucket!
Hey there.
No, Bucket. No.
See, I told you.
You know I was calling you for a long time.
I didn't hear you.
I guess you didn't. You didn't want to hear that word.
Well, see now, let me tell you something here.
Oh,
I just
Lord.
want to say that I am very happy to be here at this family cookout. I've been waiting a lot of years to come to a place like this. And to be with my family, because I love them very much.
He's getting serious,
I just want to tell you one thing out there, sister.
Okay.
I mean, Twigs.
Bobby.
And the bowling ball are here, and things will never be the same.
Never.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Thank you for that. You're the roving reporter, Chuck
God bless you,
Huffman.
and God bless America. All right.
Charles,
Yes, ma'am.
you have to meet my very best girlfriend there, Lavinia Morris Johnson.
Hey.
Sitting to your left. Lavinia,
Nice to meet you there.
she's the girl with the plan.
I'm glad to meet you. I'm very happy.
Oh, you shaking her hand hard.
They're my niece-in-law over there. How you doing, this sweetie? All right. You getting ready? Okay. How many more months you got there?
One.
Oh, just one? Oh, okay. All right. So you're just about there. All right. Congratulations. This be a little girl then, right? Okay. Good. Good. All right.
Yeah, you know that. You know that. You the one who broke the code.
See that?
Working it.
Oh, you did too? Cause I could not.
Hey, brother!
I want to see that face. I want to see that face.
Hey, he's faking. He's faking.
Oh, he's faking.
It's been so long. How'd I do? All right.
Ain't no but brothers and sisters out here, and sister-in-laws and daughter-in-laws.
Okay.
All right. Yeah, get that picture here.
This is from the baby
This is the family.
up there.
This is the dramatic family reunion.
Yes, it is.
I'm so happy to see these people. I don't know what to do.
What?
I'll never lie about this.
Now wait a minute, hold
Great
up.
bunch.
Now when was the last
We love
time?
them.
When was the last time you guys got together?
It's since
It's been
1990.
about 1997.
My wedding.
Okay, yeah, when you got married.
got
That's your
married.
wedding.
Who, me? Oh, yeah.
5 years since I
Oh, that was when I got married. Okay. And Jemima was there, and Nefacli.
Yes, we can't let this happen.
This couple was in
Yes, we must see each other.
in the Air Force Base,
5 years go by.
and Lavinia was there.
See.
Right, we're all growing younger, not
We
older.
are, not older, okay.
Okay.
Pretty soon we'll all be back to 30.
Oh, here comes Dexter and Kathy.
In fact,
That's right.
I'm already there.
See?
Okay.
That's right, yes.
Wait a minute. Look at this.
But hey,
Look at this. What's going on here? Look, Freddie's over there taking pictures.
this is the family.
Freddie's over there taking.
Yeah, do that video.
Do what? This is not a snap camera.
Yeah, we can still hear from here. Still a bunch of here.
Now,
Come on over there. There's a family in here. Come on, go raise the cane over there.
Hi, Dexter.
Everybody look this way. How you doing?
You remember me? Charles Ryan.
Yes. Hi,
Got me a baby.
Oh, did we bring the fireworks? We had fireworks on the trail, I'm telling you.
Yeah, I was.
That's a good sign. That's a good sign there. Okay? Trust me, if it was picked up by somebody else, it would not be ringing. They would have turned it off.
No, Bridget, would you repeat that, please?
I could have swore I had it in the car, but I could be mistaken.
I really think you are mistaken, sweetheart. It seemed like you had it because you're so used to having it.
Yeah, I'm used to having it.
So, like I said, I believe deep in the pit of my heart that it is... Oh, in my pit of my stomach. You know, you would... Is there another? Let's see. And we know about the elevator not going to the top floor.
Yeah, okay. Okay.
Mommy can make some up, you know.
She can make up some good ones, too.
She got in a flash.
So right, she's walking away, so...
Hey, Ruby! Rube!
Oh, Ruby!
Ruby! Hey, Icky Bell!
Y'all get on over here now. Oh, did you tell Carolyn the story of how me and Gloria met there, did you?
No, but we're going to have to tell Carolyn because I told her a little bit about Icky Bell.
I'll be back.
You don't want to hear your story again? Hey, Twigs. Bowling. What might he say?
She's real tired. She said she can usually do it real quick.
Oh, she's worn out. Wait a minute, Carolyn. Charles wants to tell us family how he met Gloria.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Wait a minute, sit down. No, this is funny.
I want to like that.
Look,
Oh, yes, baby, in a famous place.
okay, can we get this story on the show, on the road here?
Okay. I was down south there one day.
Now, y'all gotta listen to this now.
And I happened to be driving by a farm.
Now, this is a real story.
Yes.
I wouldn't lie about this.
Oh, Lord.
Driving by a creek
One day.
I saw a little gal down there in skivvies.
Okay.
And I looked over there and looked. This little girl down there in skivvies. And all of a sudden, there was a shotgun point beside the car. Okay, I'm gonna make this up. And he said, boy, you done seen Icky Bell in the skivvies, man. That was a pause. And I said, well, yeah, I'm married. And he said, my God, we got ourselves a wedding. Jeff, well, go get the moonshine. Get the moonshine. They called Parsons over, and about 5 minutes later,
And what you say her name is? Well, are you serious? Wait a minute, what you say her name is?
He said, you just seen Icky Bell in the skivvies. You don't have to marry her now, boy.
Oh, in the skivvies? What's the skivvies?
That's what things down there.
Underwear.
Oh!
Hey, bloomers are.
Skivvies. That's real country. That's the countryest you can get. I said, what? What was that?
Sound like big underwear.
Yeah, bloomers are great big ones. Okay.
So shotgun weddings are real, okay?
Yeah.
I know that.
Especially down there in Louisiana.
Oh, yes.
In the redneck.
You was in the service?
I was in the service.
Okay, and you stationed down
I was
there?
stationed down in Louisiana.
Oh, okay.
And I seen her in the skivvies.
And let's get
boy, you don't have to marry now.
Oh, Valley.
So the Icky Bell is the icky thing.
Well, that's, you know, that was just a southern name.
I thought that was the girl's name.
Well, no, actually her name was Scarlett. You
Oh.
heard of Scarlett, of the O'Hara Scarlett?
Oh, yeah.
You remember them, right?
Yeah.
I mean, that's not here anymore. They kind of gone with the wind. But here.
Hey, Icky Bell, where you going? Hey, Icky Bell.
Yeah, she look like Icky Bell.
She like an Icky Bell right about now.
You don't have to marry her now, sir.
Oh, y'all too much. Too much.
That's a false story. I was just kidding.
So how was your flight? Charles, how was your flight, honey?
Oh, I flew all the way from Shreveport to here.
Uh-huh. Excuse me. I want to know how his flight was. Well, listen.
I flew all the way from Shreveport to here, and boy, my arms are tired.
Yeah.
Richard Pryor's related.
What you laughing at, Dorena? Yes. Huh? Well, your daddy should be out in the front. What?
Oh, get the camera out my face.
You talking about? I'm nothing. When I say what you looking at, you say you on Pat.
Oh,
got you on that.
All right, then. That's all. That's better. What's up, Donna? Come on, give me a smile. Not you, Barry. Ew, Barry. Ew. How you doing, Donna? You doing it hanging in there? What? Say, man. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear JJ. Happy birthday to you. Woo! 35 years old. And Brandon's birthday is tomorrow. Where's Brandon at?
I remember seeing this on TV the other day. Does it really have that?
Mary, Mary, quite contrary. How does your garden grow? What Brandon? What Brandon? He's gonna be 3 tomorrow, right?
I always wondered what mixing that in the
2?
Now you can find out.
Girl, I thought that boy was grown.
What do you think?
He's gonna be 2.
This is
Double
good.
check with him, because I kept saying
How would you describe the taste?
How'd you say the name of it?
Hey! What y'all doing in there? What you doing? Help! Get my babies! Get my babies! You was in there too? Huh? You was in there?
Are they your
Yeah, that's my grandchild. Yeah, that's my grandchild.
Whichever comes first.
Oh, we got some hot doggies. There go Brandon. Brandon, you're gonna be 3 tomorrow or 2? I thought he was gonna be 3 years old tomorrow, but he's only gonna be 2. Look how you smile. Catch him with that smile. That's a cute smile. Brandon. Hey, Brandon. Brandon. Where's my? Hey, Kim. I mean, not Kim. Don't come. Listen here. Where's base? Oh! Frank. Now that wasn't right. That's be quiet. You want to pause again? You're a queen.
All right, come on now. Say something now. Come on now. Come on, come on. Get on over there and socialize with them ladies over there now. You hear? Come on now. Don't be shy, okay? Don't be shy. Huh? Okay. Now, come on, talk to me, brother. Brother, come on, talk to me, man. What you got good for me, man? Give me some good feedback here. Huh? Yeah. Brother man is sleeping?
Brother man was up early.
Early this morning? That early? Hey, you know what, then? I suggest you get some Excedrin PMs.
Yeah, I did.
See? That might help you. Hey, it's non-narcotic at least, you know what I mean? And you wake up feeling real good about yourself.
Take those things.
You don't take those things, man? All right, Brother Dex. But you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go ahead and mess with somebody else now. I got enough for you for now.
You got me?
Yes, sir. I got you. Okay. And what's your name? Excuse me. What's your name?
My name is Sis.
Yeah, excuse me? What kind of name is that? What? Okay, no problem. I understand. I'm Shafi. Oh, you have to do all that now. Hold it now. Oh, you have to do all that. What are you, an exorcist or something? What's your name, my brother? I said. All right, you look like a Shaq up there. You look like a baby Shaq over there. You remind me of baby Shaq. All right. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. Oh, I feel you on that one. Okay. All right. I'll get with you a little later. All right. Thank you for your time. Hello there. How are you? What's your name? What's your name? What's your name, sweetheart? You want to tell me your name? You want to tell me your name? No? Hey, my man. Hey, what's your name? What's your name, brother? You want me to tell me your name? What's your name? No? Tiambe? Oh, yeah? What are you, are you a dancer or a singer? What do you do for a living?
Raise Exhibit A.
Exhibit A?
And Exhibit B.
And Exhibit B, okay.
Work every day.
Oh, that's good. That sounds good. Hey, I can go with that. I can go with that. Thank you for your time.
Your daddy.
Oh, you the father of the kids, sir? Yeah, lift your cap up a little bit. You look like Barry Bonds almost, okay? No. All right, okay. I thank you for your time. Thank you. Who are you? What's your name?
Juanita, Mary Mountain's daughter, my daughter Kiara.
Okay, how you doing, Kiara? that niece. Okay, good. Okay. Kim's niece. Okay.
Great niece.
Great niece. Whoa, great niece? Oh, that's really great. Okay. Okay, all right. Okay, 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 thank you. Who's my man here in the middle there, sir?
Kim's nephew.
Kim's nephew. Wow, you's a big joker, man. Wow, what do you... Ooh, man, you's a big guy there. You remind me of Shaq a little bit. Okay. All right, thank you. Wait a minute, who's that? Russell and, okay, who that? Excuse me, what's your name, Shonda? Shonda? Shonda. Okay, what do you do for a living, Shonda? Huh? You do hair?
No, I don't do no hair.
No?
I just graduated from school, so I'm looking for a job.
Oh, that's great, that's great. Keep the good work up. Okay, thank you for your time. Come on, Mommy-O, give me some smiley-O's. Give me some smiley-O's. All right, come on, Freddie, I got something on you too. Come on, I got both y'all in range here. All right, y'all okay over there?
It's not on pause, is it?
No, it's on record. I know I got you now, Pat. All right, okay, come on, give me a smile there, somebody. All right, thank you, Freddie. I saw a fella with the red on. Hey, little man, can I have some of that watermelon? Can I have some watermelon? No? Can I have some watermelon?
So, he's
Hey, what you got there, my man? Oh, man, who's that character, man? What is that? Ooh, is that James Brown? Look at that, James Brown? Look at that. Oh, and the thing sings, too? Look at that. Yeah, okay. All right. Hey, look at that. Sweetheart, what's your name? What's your name? Huh? Oh, you running? Hey, come back here. Mr. What's that joker name? That rapper, Donnell Jones, all right? Come on, sing that song. Huh? I will give you anything. Come on now, sing that shit, dog. Oh, man. That's like eating salt with cream of wheat.
Salt on watermelon.
It's good.
Come on, little Brandon. Cut that cake, little Brandon. Come on, man.
Hey, Brandon.
All right. Yeah, cut that cake, brother. Cut that cake. All right.
Come on, baby.
All right, there you go. There you go. There you go. All right, there you go, Brandon. Come on, Brandon. There you go. There you go.
19 minutes.
Oh, look at